Lesson 22, Session 5, page 511. Comparing numbers. When we compare numbers, we always want to look to the greatest place value before looking at the numbers. If we have hundreds, tens, and ones, we will look at the hundreds place first. Then, if they are the same, we look to the tens place. And if the tens place is the same, we look to the ones place. We start on the furthest left side and go to the right side to determine if a number is greater or less or equal. Problem number 1. Fill in the blanks, then write less than, because it starts with one dot, greater than, because it has two dots, or equal in the circle. Here we have, let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Do I have 90 tens? No, if I had 90 tens, the value would be 900. How many tens do I have? Let's count by one. And we're going to say 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. There are 9 tens and 3 ones. Here we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 8 ones. We have to look at the place value first. Because this number has 2 digits, we look to the tens place first. So here we have 9 tens and 4 tens. Which number is greater, 9 tens or 4 tens? 9 tens is greater, right? So we put 2 dots on the side of 9 tens. 4 tens is less or fewer, so it gets 1 dot. Then we connect the dots and we read from left to right, and we say 93 is greater than 48. Problem number 2, compare. Circle the correct symbol. 110 and 6 ones, 110 and 6 ones, 16. And here we have 6 tens and 0 ones, 60. So I have to decide which symbol I'm going to use. Remember, I have to start at the greatest place value. So here I have 110. Here I have 6 tens. So which one is greater, 110 or 6 tens? 6 tens is greater, so I need to find the symbol that will have 2 dots on the side of the 60 and 1 dot on the side of the 16. I will connect my dots, and because I read from left to right, I don't read 60 is greater than 16. While it does tell me that, we read from left to right. So here we say 16 is less than 60. Problem number 3, Problem number 3, write less than, greater than, or equal in the circle. Because we read from left to right, that's how we read it when we're finished. But what I like to do is find the bigger number first. So we have 4 tens and 2 ones, 4 tens and 5 ones. The tens place is the same, so we look to the ones. So we have 1 1 2 ones. Here we have 1 1 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. So which is more? 2 ones or 5 ones? 5, oops. 5 ones is more. So I'm going to give it 2 dots over here. 2 ones is less, so I give it 1 dot and then I connect them and I read from left to right. So 42 is less than 45. Here I have 29 and 29. 2 10s and 9 ones, 2 10s and 9 ones. They are the same. They are equal to each other, so they get an equal symbol. Here we have 50 and 36. 5 10s and 0 ones and 3 10s and 6 ones. Which one is more? 5 10s or 3 10s? 5 10s is more, so it gets 2 dots. 3 10s is less, so it gets 1. Then we will connect them and we read from left to right. 50 is greater than 36.